The Monarch Retrieval system has been specifically designed for today's non-bladed access. Featuring an innovative guide bead and tapered design, the Monarch Retrieval system facilitates removal through small linear defects. To use the Monarch Retrieval system, first remove the device from the pouch. Next, remove and discard the yellow card from the actuation rod. Insert the Monarch Retrieval system through a 10mm or larger trocar port. Ensure that the logo side of the handle is facing up, indicating the bag will be in the proper position when deployed in the abdominal cavity. To deploy the specimen bag, hold in a syringe-like fashion, pushing the thumb ring forward to deploy and advance the rim of the bag into the body cavity. The thumb ring must be pushed completely forward until it has reached its advancing endpoint. When fully deployed, the open end or rim of the bag is maintained in an open position. Notice the extra wide rim design for ease of specimen capture. Now you may simply place the specimen into the bag. Once the specimen is completely in the bag, pull back on the thumb ring, withdrawing the actuation rod proximally until it reaches a stop. The bag will close, exposing the cord loop on the actuation rod. There are two ways to remove the bagged specimen from the abdomen. The first is to remove the retrieval system, trocar cannula, and specimen bag simultaneously. Do not detach cord loop from the holding slot. With the bag still attached, pull on the retrieval system and trocar cannula to retract the bag through the port site. If the specimen is too large to be extracted, carefully enlarge the port site for easier removal. To remove the bag separately from the system, detach the cord loop from the holding slot on the actuation rod. Remove the introducer sheath and rod, leaving the bag within the cavity and the cord accessible through the trocar cannula. Next, remove the trocar cannula from the incision. To remove the specimen, pull on the cord loop, thus retracting the bag through the port site. If the specimen is too large to be extracted, carefully enlarge the port site for easier removal. To reopen the bag at any time after detachment from the actuation rod, first hold the guide bead, then pull the rim of the bag in the opposite direction. To reclose the bag, grasp the guide bead and pull the cord until the bag is closed. The guide bead and the bag's taper design facilitate removal through small linear defects. Note: do not attempt to pull the bag through the trocar cannula or the introducer sheath. And do not cut the bag cord prior to removal from port site. The Monarch's simple deployment and retrieval mechanisms ensure ease of use in every laparoscopic case.